Get ready to level up your intelligence in a simple way, explore ways to improve ourselves and unlock our true potential. We're going to dive into the world of daily habits that can uplift your intelligence. Are you ready to level up your brain power? Let's get started. Welcome to AJ's Info. Let's achieve success together. Before we jump into the habits, let's talk about intelligence. It's not just about being book smart or having a high IQ. Intelligence is a multifaceted concept that encompasses various aspects of our lives, including critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, and adaptability. Habit number 1. Curiosity. Embrace your inner child and be curious about the world around you. Ask questions, seek answers. Curiosity fuels intellectual growth and keeps your mind engaged and active. Curiosity is the key that unlocks the doors to endless possibilities, allowing us to explore new realms of knowledge, creativity, and innovation. It compels us to ask why, to seek answers that challenge conventional wisdom, and to embrace the thrill of the unknown. Habit number 2. Socializing and intellectual discussions. What an exciting habit to uplift your intelligence. This habit goes beyond mere small talk and superficial interactions. It involves engaging with others in deep, meaningful conversations that stimulate your intellect and broaden your horizons. When you surround yourself with intellectually stimulating people, you expose yourself to diverse perspectives, ideas, and knowledge. Socializing and intellectual discussions also provide a platform for personal growth. By actively listening to others' viewpoints, you gain empathy and a deeper appreciation for different lived experiences. Remember, intellectual discussions are not about proving yourself right or wrong but about expanding your knowledge and understanding. So, make it a habit to engage in socializing and intellectual discussions. Not only will it uplift your intelligence, but it will also cultivate meaningful connections, broaden your perspectives, and fuel your intellectual curiosity. Habit number 3. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation is the practice of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It involves finding a quiet space, assuming a comfortable posture, and bringing your attention to the present moment. One of the key benefits of meditation is its ability to enhance your ability to concentrate. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is the practice of non-judgmental awareness of the present moment. Meditation and mindfulness practices have been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. Chronic stress can impair cognitive function, memory, and creativity. Embrace the power of meditation and mindfulness in your life. By nurturing these habits, you can uplift your intelligence, foster mental clarity, and create a foundation for intellectual growth and self-discovery. Habit number 4. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is the process of actively analyzing, evaluating, and interpreting information in a logical and systematic manner. Instead of accepting information at face value, critical thinkers examine it from multiple angles. Critical thinkers approach challenges with a systematic and logical mindset. They break down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts, identify patterns, and evaluate potential solutions. This approach allows them to make informed decisions and find innovative solutions to both everyday and complex problems. Actively engage with different perspectives, both in written form and through conversations with others. So, embrace the power of critical thinking in your daily life. Let it become a habit that uplifts your intelligence and equips you with the tools to thrive in an ever-changing world. Habit number 5. Journaling. A powerful habit for enhancing your intelligence and promoting personal growth. Journaling involves the act of writing down your thoughts, experiences, reflections, and goals in a dedicated journal or notebook. It provides a private space for self-expression, self-reflection, and capturing the nuances of your inner world. Through journaling, you can gain valuable insights, improve your cognitive abilities, and track your progress over time. Journaling also serves as a tool for organizing and clarifying your thoughts. As you write, You structure your ideas, explore different perspectives, and articulate your thoughts more clearly. This process helps you refine your thinking and gain a deeper understanding of complex concepts or challenging experiences. Journaling can serve as a problem-solving tool. When faced with challenges or dilemmas, writing about them in your journal can help you gain clarity and develop potential solutions. Journaling is a personal and flexible practice. There are no rules or right or wrong way to journal. The key is to find a style that works for you and can make it a consistent part of your routine. Allow it to become a habit that uplifts your intelligence, promotes self-awareness, nurtures your creativity, and facilitates personal growth. Through journaling, you can embark on a journey of self-discovery and unlock your full intellectual potential. Habit number 6. Daily brain and physical exercises. Daily brain and physical exercises, two powerful habits that can uplift your intelligence and keep your mind and body in peak condition. Engaging in daily brain exercises involves activities that challenge and stimulate your mental faculties. These exercises help maintain and improve cognitive functions such as memory, attention, problem-solving, and creativity. By incorporating brain exercises into your daily routine, you can enhance your intellectual capabilities and keep your mind sharp. Physical exercise is not just essential for maintaining physical fitness, it also plays a crucial role in boosting your intellectual capabilities. Regular physical exercise has been linked to improved cognitive function, memory, attention, and information processing speed. Consistency is key. Aim for a balanced approach, alternating between brain exercises and physical activities throughout the week. Experiment with different activities and find ones that you enjoy, as this will increase your motivation and make it easier to maintain these habits in the long run. Habit number 7. Apply everything you learn. Actively apply what you've learned by putting it into practice. Whether it's a new skill, a concept, or a problem-solving technique, engage in hands-on activities that allow you to apply the knowledge directly. Practice reinforces learning and helps solidify your understanding. Look for opportunities to apply your knowledge in real-life situations. Find ways to integrate what you've learned into your daily life, work, or hobbies. Applying knowledge to real-world scenarios strengthens your understanding and helps you see the practical value of what you've learned. The process of applying what you learn is iterative. It involves a combination of practice, reflection, feedback, and continuous learning. Conclusion. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you can uplift your intelligence, expand your knowledge, and unleash your full intellectual potential. Embrace these habits with consistency, curiosity, and an open mind, and you will embark on a journey of lifelong learning and personal transformation. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Remember, intelligence is not fixed but can be nurtured and expanded through intentional practices. So, take the first step today and commit to these daily habits that will empower you to become a more intellectually vibrant and fulfilled individual. Thanks for watching.